Ngiphinde nginamukele ngani zakwethu kuyona-ke i-channel igama Unqoba Dlamini, also known by the name of DJ Chef The Soul. If you are new to the channel bafowethu ngiyacela usubscribe, ungakhohlwa futhi-ke ukulike, ushare nayo i-video, ucommente nakhona kuyona-ke i-video. Udaba lwethu-ke esisaniphathele lona futhi ngalesi sikhathi yilo lithinta laphana-ke Casper Nyovest and Sizwe Dlomo according to Times Live. Bafowethu-ke laphana-ke kuke kwaney'ndaba ey'thinta-ke bona labana bobabili. Kodwa-ke laphaya uSizwe Dlomo uyiseye waresponda-ke kuyona-ke i-claim eke yenziwa laphayana-ke ukuthi-ke uCasper Nyovest is blocking people for saying that he is not rich as yena-ke laphayana-ke uSizwe Dlomo. So Casper Nyovest was trending lately-ke ngakhona-ke laphayana-ke esikhathini sayo-ke i-weekend khona la eNingizimu Afrika-ke laphana ama-social media users claimed that he is blocking all those who say Sizwe Dlomo is richer than him. So uSizwe Dlomo uye waresponda-ke kuzona-ke lezi insolo noma-ke kuyo le ndaba lena-ke lapha ku-Twitter. He defended uCasper Nyovest-ke waphinde waqhubeka nokuthi-ke ampraise futhi njengenjwayelo nje. uSizwe Dlomo uye washo kanjena-ke uthena-ke abantu kuningi ongabe-ke bayakufunda ngaye-ke noma kuye-ke uCasper Nyovest-ke ucaphuna nje amagama awashilo. Casper Nyovest is the greatest of his generation and what you can do is to learn from him. So kuningi-ke athe kungafundwa kuyena. Ngiyacela nganza ukuthi ni-comment ngalo daba-ke kuyona-ke i-section la ngezansi-ke bafowethu. Ngibonga kakhulu. Thank you.